Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. Today I am bringing to you my first Dollar Tree haul of April. I gotta tell ya, I am loving all of the farmhouse decor that the Dollar Tree is starting to carry. It is awesome, and I am seeing lots of really cool farmhouse DIYs in my future. I am also seeing a lot of coffee decor. And so that is another decor piece that I am really excited to see and loving it, and I am stocking up on it because I think it's gonna be a great addition to my kitchen. So let's jump into it and let me show you some of the farmhouse and coffee items that I found at my Dollar Tree. And I gotta tell you, I have got a list going of items that I will be keeping my eye out for, because those mugs I am on a mission to find. Those farmhouse coffee mugs, I gotta have them. Let's jump into this. I'm gonna start this haul off with my favorite find this trip. And this by far is one of my favorite finds that I found, I would say, in a while. I don't buy a lot of their decor pieces or plaques because I'm just not gonna get them just to haul them. I get the ones that will go with my house, with the decor. I liked this one so much, and it's a stand. So this is something that I can place in the back of my videos. And I just love the little home with the pegs with the string around it. I just thought that this was so stinking cute. I loved it. And so this definitely made my favorite find for this haul. I have seen these hauled before, but I have never seen the I Need Coffee. And I am a huge coffee fanatic. Love my coffee. And so when I saw this one today, I just thought, oh my word, I need this. Not sure where I'm gonna put it in the house. It might end up in my kitchen or in the background of my videos. And how about these mirrored words? They had them in friends, family, love, hope, faith, and I picked up this one which says believe. And this item here was definitely on my list of that item that I needed to keep my eye open for. I had seen these hauled a couple months ago and really liked them, and every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I go down my list looking for those items that I definitely want, that I've seen hauled, and just now, these finally hit my Dollar Tree. And so I'm loving these. You can guess these are probably gonna be used in some kind of a farmhouse DIY. I'm not sure yet. I don't have plans for them yet. I picked up 2 of them anyway because I just never know when I'm gonna wanna use them. e.l.f. is appearing a lot in the Dollar Trees in my area again with some new products that I haven't seen in Dollar Tree before. They've got this baked bark eyeshadow. This is amazing. I think that this is gonna be really cool for doing that smoky eye. I'm always looking for a nice good brown for the crease of my eye when I am doing that smoky look. And their liquid eyeliner. Haven't tried these yet, but I like all the other e.l.f. products, so I picked up 2 of them just in case. And these shine erasers. They're blotting sheets. 30 sheets are in this pack. Not sure how well they work, but I thought that this would be something that I could keep in my purse. They had a bunch of different eyeshadows, this pink blush, a tinted lip balm, a concealer and highlighter in one. More eyeliners. I haven't seen the mascaras yet. That one I've got my eye out for. And some concealer, and this full stick all over concealer, and also this shimmering facial whip. And LA Colors has a lot of these chunky lip pencils. And so I really like these lip pencils a lot. This was a color that I think I might like, and I like the nudes and the softer colors, and so I picked up this Feels Nude by LA Colors. These are a new item at Dollar Tree, and they look like they are so much fun. These temporary hair colors. They come in purple, this electric blue, and this hot pink. It says it comes with 1 application, you comb it in, and it washes out. So this will be fun to try here pretty soon, and I think that these will be fun to have on hand for Alli when she has those crazy hair days at school. And how about these cute finds, these pencil sharpeners? These are so stinking cute. Saw these self-ink stampers when I was checking out. They've got the heart, they've got Be Happy, and they've got kind of like that birthday banner there. and a hippo bubble maker. Alli also is going to be hauling one of these. She picked up the other one that they're selling other than the hippo. And in the kids section, I found this 3-in-1 board game. I love this. This is perfect for taking in the car or putting in the motorhome. It looks like it's got chess, backgammon, and checkers all in one. I also picked up one of these 1-inch mini binders by Jot. This is another item that is new to the Dollar Trees in my area. I hadn't seen these before. I picked one up because it's gonna help me keep my notes just a bit more organized. These sachets that come in a 2-pack, I love putting these in my drawers because they last for months. I picked up 3, this citrus, this linen, and this passion fruit. And because Alli is going through a headband phase, she was going through a clip phase for a while. She is out of that. She is loving headbands, and Dollar Tree has a huge variety of headbands. So I picked up 5 packs, so we are sure to have a color for each outfit that she has. And this 6-pack of paint palettes by Jot, 6 for $1. That is an amazing buy, and these always come in handy when I'm crafting. And Dollar Tree just started carrying these hula hoops. How fun is that? Some Nutella with these pretzel sticks. These are always a fun little snack to have in the house. Kayla is a huge Nutella fan, and so is Alli. A roll of this brown burlap wired ribbon. I always get my SOS pads at the Dollar Tree, and I don't know if this is a new box or what, but these soap pads also say tampons on them. Kayla and I weren't sure what language that was in. We were Googling the translation for it, and it's coming up French. What language is that? Kayla thought that maybe it was pads in Spanish, but we were Googling it and it wasn't coming up. So anyway, I thought that was pretty stinking funny. We both kind of laughed when we saw that. And lastly, a bottle of witch hazel for those scrapes and minor cuts. This is a good way to clean them out. If you head on over to Alli's channel this week, you can see some of the fun finds that she hauled in her Dollar Tree haul that she'll be donating to the treasure box at school this week. Link is in the description box below. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my first Dollar Tree haul of April, and I'm sure I will be bringing you another as soon as some of these items start appearing in my Dollar Tree. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.